In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download shared files from Dropbox. We'll walk through the process step by step on the Dropbox website so you can quickly grab any file that's been shared with you and save it to your computer. First, open your favorite web browser and go to dropbox.com. Once the page loads, log into your account. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the shared content you want. If you use more than one account, double check you're in the right one so the correct files appear later. After you're signed in, look to the left-hand panel and find the shared section. Click that to open a dedicated area for items that are shared. This page shows files and folders that others have shared with you, as well as items you may have shared with others. It's a great way to keep shared content separate from your personal files. At the top of the shared page, you'll see options to filter what you're viewing. Choose Files on the upper ribbon. Selecting files focuses the list on individual files only, which makes it easier to spot exactly what you want to download without scrolling through folders. If you only need a single document, image, or video, this filter keeps things simple and uncluttered. Now locate the shared file you want to download. You'll see details like the file name, who shared it, and when it was last modified. Helpful cues if there are several similar items. Take a moment to confirm you have the right file, especially if you're working with versions that look alike. When you found the correct file, move your mouse over it and look for the three dots, often called the More Options menu, next to the file name. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the choices that appear, click Download. As soon as you select Download, your browser will begin saving the file to your computer. You can monitor the progress using your browser's download indicator. Depending on your browser settings, the file will usually land in your Downloads folder. Large files may take a little longer to finish, so give them a moment. If you don't see the download option, it may be due to the permissions set by the person who shared the file, or it could be a temporary network issue, and that's all there is to it. You've just downloaded a shared file from Dropbox using the website. Thanks for watching.